Pati dito sa labas meron din.
Let's go inside.
This is too scary. I don't want to go in.
Okay. Dito lang. Dito lang po ako mag-uwi.
Ang pala kainan dito.
Restaurant ito? Or
Morning!
restaurant to or zoo?
It does look like a zoo a little.
Pili tayong food.
Mommy, does this look like a zoo to you?
Tubig.
Mommy, does this look like a zoo?
Yes.
Yeah.
What? Mommy, what?
Yes. It's not a zoo. Oh, may nice meals.
Hey. Mommy, this looks like a zoo. Mommy, looks like a zoo.
I want talk for barbecue.
Uy, bawal kasi tokwa.
I don't know what's that. I don't know what's that.
Saan pa? Meron pa sa taas, diba?
When was the first time I got allergic to tofu?
Ano meron doon?
Wait, you were allergic to tofu
When you were a kid.
when he was a kid?
Since you were born.
Is he now gonna eat tofu?
Are you mommy?
Eat tofu.
You want me to die?
No.
Are you ugly?
Kaya ba si daddy nito? Oh, it feels like different here or here.
Huh?
Because you're too fat. Because you're too
Oh, there's food. Where are the food?
Ano na po, table?
Wait, Alex. Alex. That's true. Zachary, baka kumuha siya doon.
Ano kaya yun?
Tingnan muna natin yung ano, explore muna natin.
Pangit.
Because you're too fit.
What?
I'm just kidding.
What did you say?
I'm just kidding. I'm scared.
Ay, may red one.
Perfusion. Ako. Kakaano lang po namin.
Ano to po, table?
So, ayan be. Mga menu. Ito ka perfusion. Oo. Ito. Kapi kulayaw.
Ipasok mo. Ipasok mo.
Beb, tingnan mo to. Halika. Oh, marami naman sila. You want seafood, Tor? Tingnan mo yung ano nila. Asa si Alex? Ha? Gusto niyo ba heavy? Kasi mamaya kakain pa tayo ulit. Picture! Ay, sige po, sige po. Uy, dadaan siya. Doon sa Copper Fusion. Picturean ko lang to. Meron po ba sa taas?
Bang pa.
Huwag ka dyan, huwag ka muna dyan. Uy, picture ko eh.
Sound system nga, oh. Kita kita yung speaker.
May tao.
Wala po.
Ay, ang cute. Beb! Hindi ka.
Sarili sa lang ano.
Ang galing
Movie
naman.
theater. Galing. Or, Alex, come here.
Tanda mo to. Movie theater.